Ramon Sirsat, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Alberton College, Kerala. Herewith I start the concept of hybridization. So hybridization is nothing but the mixing of atomic orbitals. Mixing of atomic orbitals. We get the hybrid orbital with equivalent energy. With equivalent energy. So, for example, the concept of the barium chloride is there, DM3 is there, methane is there. There are the example. By using this hybridization concept, we get the idea about the shape, geometry of the molecule. So there are a number of types of hybridization. Firstly, I start with the hybridization, sp hybridization. One type of the hybridization. sp2 is there, sp3 is there, sp3 d1, sp3 d2, sp3 d3. These are the hybridization. So one by one we discuss the hybridization. Firstly, I start with the sp hybridization. This type of the hybridization in which 1s orbital and 1p orbital and 1p orbital are mixed. 1s orbital and 1p orbital are mixed. After the mixing, we get the sp hybrid orbital. That's having the equivalent energy, having the equivalent shape. So such type of the hybridization is nothing but the sp hybridization, in which the percentage of s character in sp hybridization is a 50%. So we discuss with the example. So sp hybridization example is a beryllium chloride. The famous example is the famous example beryllium chloride. So in case of sp hybridization, the 1s orbital, 1p orbitals are combined. We get the sp hybrid orbital. So by using the one example barium chloride, we get the idea about sp hybridization. So in case of barium chloride, there is a central atom is barium. Central atom is barium. So atomic number of beryllium is 4. So electronic configuration of beryllium is a 1s2 and s2. This is the electronic configuration of beryllium. So I put in the box diagram. This is the 1s, this is the 2s. Again, the one vacant orbital is present, that's the 2p orbital. This electronic configuration at ground state. So in the case of ground state, there is a no any unpaired electron. Total 2p vacant orbitals are present. So after supplying the barium atoms, so what happens? So 2s pair electron is promoted into the vacant 2p orbital. So at excited state, what happens? We get 2 unpaired electrons, one from 2s, one from 2p. So this happens at excited state. This happens and excited state. So this type of the structure is there. So after what happened? There is a concept of hybridization. These 2s orbital, these 2p orbital are mixed. And which hybridization is takes place? So hybridization is takes place is a sp hybridization. 1s, 1p. 1s orbital, 1p orbital. These two orbitals are mixed, so we get the sp hybridization. sp hybridization. So sp hybridization is there. So another atom in this barium chloride is a chlorine atom. Chlorine. So atomic number of chlorine is a 17. So electronic configuration of chlorine is a 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So outer cell electronic configuration of chlorine is a 3s2, 3p5. So chlorine, I write only the outer cell electronic configuration 2s2, 3s2, 3p5. So just I put it in the box diagram. So this is the 3s, this is the 3p orbital. So there are 5 electrons in the valence shell of chlorine. So only 1 electron is needed to complete the octet of chlorine atom. So this unpaired electron and 2 unpaired electron of barium. These electrons, 2 electrons from 2 chlorine and 2 unpaired electron of 1 barium. So this pairing is takes place. Electrons of chlorine. That is the 2 chlorine, electrons of chlorine. Dotted electrons from 2 chlorine atom. So we get the barium chloride. Sorry, barium chloride molecule. So sp hybridization is there. Beryllium is there. There is a 2 chlorine. One from this side, one from that side. So structure is a linear structure. Geometry is a linear geometry. So bond angle between the chlorine, barium, chlorine is a 180 degree. This is the bond angle between the chlorine, barium and chlorine, 180 degree. So geometry of this sp hybridization is a linear geometry. Okay, this is about. So next hybridization is a sp2 hybridization. In this type of the hybridization, 1s orbital and 2p orbitals are mixed, and 2p orbitals are mixed. So we get the equivalent energy orbitals, that is the sp2 orbitals. So example of sp2 hybridization is a BF3. Boron tetrafluoride is the example for sp2 hybridization. So central atom is a boron. Central atom in case of BF3 is a boron. So atomic number of boron is a 5. So electronic configuration of boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So So this is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. This is at the ground state. This is at the ground state. So this electronic configuration, only outer cell electronic configuration I have put it here. So 2s in the box diagram, here there are 2 electrons. 2p orbital having 1 electron. This at the ground state. If you supply energy to the boron atom, so 2s electrons is shifted from 2s to 2p orbital in the excited state. So boron 5 gas should be the, I write the excited state of boron. This is 2p. There are, this happen at the excited state. In the excited state, there are 3 unpaired electrons. Then the concept of hybridization. These 1s and these 2p orbitals. 1s orbital, 1s, 2 orbitals of 2p orbital are mixed. So we get the hybridization, that is the sp2 hybridization. We get the hybridization, that is the sp2 hybridization. So again I have just put this 2s, this is the 2. So 3 unpaired electrons are present at the excited state. So next atom in case of BF3 is the fluorine. So fluorine atomic number is 9. So electronic configuration of fluorine is the 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. There are 7 unpaired electrons which are present in the valence shell of fluorine atom. So I just put the outer shell electronic configuration of fluorine. There are 2 electrons in the 2s orbital of fluorine, and there are 5 electrons which are present in the 2p orbital of fluorine. So in case of fluorine, there are 7 electrons present in the valence shell of fluorine. So only 1 unpaired electron is there. So only 1 electron is needed to the fluorine atom to complete its octet. So this is the 1 unpaired electron. In case of excited state of boron, there are 3 unpaired electrons is present. So 1 electron of 1 fluorine combined with the 1 unpaired electron of boron atom. So there are 3 fluorine atoms required to combine, and we get the BF3 molecule. So just I put the dotted electrons is from the fluorine atom. This dotted electron from fluorine. This is the electrons from fluorine. So we get the molecule BF3. So we get the molecule BF3. So boron So this is the shape of boron this means the bond angle is 120 degree. So bond angle between the chlorine, boron and fluorine is 120 degree. So this is the trigonal geometry of BF3 molecule in which the bond angle between the fluorine, boron and fluorine is 120 degree and geometry is a trigonal geometry. So next hybridization is the sp3 hybridization. In case of sp3 hybridization, one s orbital and 3 p orbitals are mixed, and 3 p orbitals are mixed, and we get the hybrid orbital. That hybrid orbital is nothing but the sp3 hybrid orbitals. So, for example, methane is the example. CH4 is the example of sp3 hybridization. Another example, there are ammonia, water is another example for sp3 hybridization. So, let me explain the methane molecule. So, central atom is a carbon. Central atom is a carbon. So atomic number of carbon is 6. Just I write the electronic configuration of carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. There are 4 unpaired electrons which are present in the valence shell of carbon. This electronic configuration and ground state. Carbon, I put this outer shell electronic configuration in box diagram. There are 2 unpaired electrons present in the valence shell of carbon. This electronic configuration at the ground state. In case of ground state, only 2 unpaired electrons are present. Let's see the molecule, CH4 molecule. So, if you supply the energy to the carbon atom, so this carbon atom goes to the excited state. In the excited state, what happens? So, 1 2s electrons is jumped from this to p orbital. From this to this, 1 electron is jumped, shifted to 2p orbital. So this happen at the excited state. So this at excited state, this electronic configuration at excited state. So in the excited state, we get 4 unpaired electrons. 1 from 2s and 3 unpaired electron from 2p of carbon. So the concept of hybridization is that, so 1s orbital and 3p orbitals are combined. 1s orbital and 3p orbitals are combined to get the sp3 hybridization. One s orbital and 3p orbitals are combined. We get the sp3 hybridization. So we get first step of the hybrid orbitals. These are the hybrid orbital. All sp3 hybrid orbital. So next atom in the CH4 is a hydrogen. Atomic number of hydrogen is a 1. Electronic configuration 1s1. So just I put this electronic configuration in the box diagram. So in case of hydrogen, only one unpaired electron is present. In case of excited state of carbon, here are 4 unpaired electrons are present. So one electron is required to completely duplicate of hydrogen atom. So that's why this hydrogen are combined with the carbon. So there is a need of 4 hydrogen atom to complete the octet of carbon. So just I put the dotted electron of 4 hydrogen. This dotted electron from electrons of hydrogens. So this structure, so we get the CH4 molecule. CH4 molecule, that is the methane molecule. So in the sense there is a central atom carbon. There is a hydrogen, there are 4 hydrogens. This is the structure of methane. So bond angle between hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen is a 109 degree 28 minutes. 109 degree 28 minutes. So geometry of this methane molecule is a tetrahedral geometry. Geometry is a tetrahedral geometry. So that is about the sp3 hybridization. One s orbital, 3p orbitals are mixed. So we get the such type of hybridization is the sp3 hybridization. Example is the methane. Another example, let's see the example is the ammonia is the another example. Water is also the another example of sp3 hybridization.